Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a very popular North Indian dish called aloo gobi sabzi, which translates to potato cauliflower curry. It's a very easy to make and delicious curry made with spices like turmeric, coriander, and garam masala. So without further ado, let's dive into the video.
Heat some oil. I'm using olive oil. You can use any oil that you use for cooking. When the oil is hot, add some mustard seeds. When the mustard starts to splutter, add a pinch of asafoetida. Now add the chopped ginger and saute it for a minute or till the raw flavor goes away. Next, add the onions and salt and saute for a few minutes till the onions become translucent. Add the green chilies and then reduce the flame to medium heat. It's time to add the dry masalas. Add the turmeric powder. I'm going to reduce the flame further to medium-low so that my masalas don't burn. The red chili powder, coriander powder, and cumin powder. Cook this for about a minute on medium flame. Now add the chopped tomatoes. Mix this well with the masalas. And then cover and cook for a couple of minutes. After about 2 minutes, open the lid and cook the tomatoes for another 2 to 3 minutes. Then add the potatoes and combine it well with the masala. Add just a little bit of water, like around 2 tablespoons of water, and cover and cook the potatoes for about 5 minutes or till they're half done. The time to cook the potatoes will differ depending on the type of potatoes you use. Now add the cauliflower and mix everything well. Cover and cook this till the potatoes are completely cooked and the cauliflower is soft but crunchy. The key to getting crunchy cauliflower is to add the cauliflower when the potatoes are half done or just getting done. Otherwise, the cauliflower becomes too soft or mushy. Don't forget to open and mix everything occasionally to avoid the vegetables sticking to the pan. It's been about 10 minutes. Now cook this with the lid open for another 5 minutes. Check if the vegetables are cooked. Add some garam masala on top and mix, and sprinkle some cilantro if you have it. I didn't have cilantro on hand, so I'm going to skip that step. Give it a final mix and then turn off the flame and serve. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you like this video, share and give it a big thumbs up, and do try this recipe. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also follow me on Instagram. Until my next video, bye!